GM friends, Anthony from ARIO wishing all the permables out there a happy Pi Day. It's March 14th and the Permaweb Index, Pi, is set to go live this evening. What does that mean for the ARIO token? Simple. Hold AR or the bridged assets to AO and you can earn ARIO. Here's how you can set it up. Head to ao.ar.io or any of the other ARIO gateways. Click Mint at the top. And then halfway down the screen, you'll be able to connect your wallet. By bridging assets to AO or holding AR, you're already minting AO. The Permaweb Index offers access to other ecosystem tokens, including ARIO. Just underneath where I connected my wallet is the Yield tab, and this is where you can choose to turn that yield into any combination of Pi, AO, AR, and other ecosystem tokens. By default, it's 100% Pi. To include ARIO in your yield, all you have to do is click it. Now my yield is split 50% to Pi and 50% to ARIO. This can be set however you choose. Permables like me, we're going to go all in on ARIO. By holding AR or the bridged assets on AO, you can earn ARIO. Hit confirm and you're set to passively start earning ARIO with the Permaweb Index. Happy minting!